Air pollution has become a deadly problem in many parts of the world. In 2019, 1.6 million people in India died owing to air pollution. One infant died every 5 minutes owing to dirty air. Anyone who has landed at Los Angeles International Airport is familiar with the thick layer of brown smog that blankets the city, even though air quality has improved in Los Angeles in recent years. Anyone wanting to fix the problem of air pollution knows better than to try to clean up the air one neighborhood at a time. In order to improve air quality, the problem must be tackled at its source, factories or automobiles, for example. When it comes to one's spiritual life, it is vital for every believer to know that spiritual problems must be confronted at their source. Paul insists that the source of the sin problem is in the mind. He says in Romans chapter 8 and verse 7, the carnal mind is enmity against God, for it is not subject to the law of God, nor indeed can be. An unregenerate, earthly, selfish mind is never going to be in harmony with God. The carnal mind is simply opposed to God, and it can't be any other way. A believer might try to mend himself or herself by trying to master one's spiritual weakness at a time, but such an approach is doomed to fail. Every sinner needs a new mind. Advertisements can be seen offering courses to teach self-mastery, which simply cannot be attained without the indwelling power of Christ. The only way to master self is by surrendering self to Christ and allowing Him to live His life in you. If you are trying to improve yourself by yourself, you are fighting a losing battle. The sinner's mind is simply not subject to the way of the living God. A new mind is a gift given by God at conversion, that moment when self is renounced and Jesus is accepted as Lord. To receive a new mind is to experience a miracle of divine grace, a miracle God is willing to perform for everyone who calls on His name. I'm Vaughn Joseph for Victory in Jesus, and I'll see you next time as we go into the Bible verse. Thanks for viewing Into the Bible Verse. For immediate notification on your phone, your tablet, or laptop, remember to click or press the subscribe button below. And more importantly, click or push this bell icon. Thanks in advance for your support.